If you are trying to figure out where to sell your digital products in 2026, you are about to waste a lot of time researching platforms that don't actually matter. I am going to save you weeks of confusion and tell you exactly which 3 platforms you should use. Ranked from worst to best based on fees, easy of use, and how much money you actually keep. By the end of this video, you would know exactly where to list your product and why the best platform might not be what everyone is telling you. Let's get into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vanity. I talk about real ways to make money online and build passive income using what you already have so you can create more freedom in your life. All right, let me break down all 3 platforms. Coming in at number 3 is Etsy. Now, before you get mad at me, let me explain why Etsy is ranked 3rd and why you should still consider using it. If y'all don't know by now what Etsy is a marketplace with 97 million active buyers, specifically looking for creative and unique digital products like planners, templates, printables, and arts. Now, the good thing about Etsy is built-in traffic. You don't need an audience. Buyers are already there searching for what you sell. It's easy to start. List a product in 10 minutes. No website building is required. The last thing is trust factor. People trust buying from Etsy because it's an established platform. The bad thing is fees adds up fast. Etsy charges 5% transaction fees plus 20 cents per listing. Another thing, you don't own your customers. Etsy owns their relationship. You can't build an email list easily. You can build one, but it's not gonna be easy. High competition. Everyone and their mom is selling on Etsy. Stand out is hard if you do not have a strategic plan. No customization. Your store looks like everyone else. Your customization is limited. Your banner could look different. Your logo could look different, but mainly your whole setup is the same. But Etsy is good. Etsy is mainly for complete beginners with 0 audience, people selling visual products or even digital products, planners, printables, templates, etc. And anyone who wants to test if their product sells before investing in their own platform. According to 2026 data, most Etsy digital products sellers make $50 to $500 per month. Top sellers can make $5,000 or more, but that do take years of consistency, and sometimes it can happen faster, but it's rare. However, I do vouch for Etsy. I do tell you guys to actually go on Etsy because I strongly do believe that Etsy is a great starting point, but it's not where you want to stay long term. That's somewhere you go to get your foot in the door, to learn, and it's an easy platform. Use it to validate your product. Get your first sales and learn what works. Then move to platform number 2 or 1. So this is like your starter point. It's like training wheels, but it's not good to just stay there forever. If you end up selling on Etsy and you end up doing amazing, like really, really good, then of course I would say stay on the platform and keep selling, because that can be an extra income stream as you still doing option number 2 or 1. So you have different income streams. If you finding this helpful so far, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. I post videos like this every week showing you real strategies to make money online. And watching it all the way through really help YouTube show this to more people who need it. All right, let's go to platform number 2. Coming in at number 2 is Gumroad. This is where most serious digital product creators eventually move once they outgrow Etsy. Gumroad is a platform specifically designed for selling digital products. You get your own storefront, total control over pricing, and you own your customer list. The good thing is it's simple and fast. You upload a product, set a price, get a link, you go live in 5 minutes. No monthly fees. 10% flat fee per sale. You only pay when you make money. You own the customer. Build your email list and you can market to them directly. Flexible price, subscriptions, pay what you want, and memberships. And they have a clean checkout. No account required for buyers, which make purchasing fast. Some of the cons are no built-in traffic. You need to drive your own traffic if that's from social media, email, or ads. 10% fee is high at scale. Once you are making $5,000 a month, that's $500 in fees. And limited customization. Your storefront is simple, but just not super brandable. Gumroad is for creators with a small audience, like 1,000 or more followers on any platform. People selling courses, templates, ebooks, or memberships. And anyone who want ownership of their customer relationships. Gumroad users average $500 to $5,000 per month once they have consistent traffic. Some creators make $10,000 plus per month. Gumroad is considered the sweet spot for most creators. It's simple enough to use immediately, but powerful enough to scale. The 10% fee hurt at higher volumes, but the trade-off is that you own your own customers and can build recurring revenue. If you are making under $3,000 a month, Gumroad is perfect. Once you are consistently above that, consider platform number 1. Coming in at number 1 is Shopify. This is where you graduate when you are ready to build a real brand. Shopify is a full e-commerce platform. You get a custom website, complete branding control, and the ability to sell anything. Digital products, physical products, subscriptions, everything. The good thing is that you have full control, your brand, your design, your rules, and it looks professional. Lower fees at scale. Shopify charges $29. Right now they're offering 3 months, and each month you would just only have to pay $1 to start. I will leave the Shopify link down in the description below. But once you finish your 3 months of paying $1, the Shopify fee is $29 a month. But no transaction fee if you use Shopify payments. Once you are making $3,000 and more per month, this is way cheaper than Gumroad, 10%. Another thing is the website is professional. This is a real business, not just a product page. Unlimited products. You can sell as much as you want with no limits. Apps and integrations. Email marketing, analytics, upsells, everything is available. You own everything. Your customers, your data, and your brand. The bad thing is monthly cost. You pay even if you don't make any sales. Even if you don't make any sales, which is a risk for beginners. Not as a plug and play like Gumroad. Takes time to set up. You need traffic. No built-in audience like Etsy. Shopify is mainly for established creators making $2,000 or more a month consistently. It's for beginners who are willing to learn and willing to know that it's a learning curve, but the end result is very rewarding. People who are serious about building a long-term brand. Anyone who's selling multiple product types, like digital and physical products. And creators who want complete control from the beginning. Shopify sellers are making $5,000 to $50,000 plus monthly are common. The platform scales forever. Shopify is the best platform long term, but it overkill for beginners. If you are just starting, the $20 fee can feel like a risk. But once you are consistently making money from Gumroad or Etsy, Shopify is where you move to keep more of your profit and build a real brand. Right now, Shopify is offering $1 a month for 3 months. So if you are ready to commit, that is a great deal. And again, I will leave the link for Shopify in the description below. So here's my honest recommendation based on where you are. If you are a complete beginner, no audience, no sales yet, start with Etsy. Test your product, get your first sales, and learn what works. If you have 500 through 5,000 followers and you're ready to take things seriously, and you might have already tested on Etsy, and you might already probably even test on social media, then I would say use Gumroad. You will own your customers and keep more profit than Etsy. If you are making $2,000 plus monthly consistently and want to scale, then that's when I would tell you to move to Shopify. So if you had tested out on maybe Etsy or on social media and you see that, oh, it's working great, people are liking it, they're crying about it, they like your content about it, or they even like what you're selling on Etsy, then I would say come to Shopify. Even if they like what you're selling on Gumroad and you're going crazy, I would say come to Shopify. You will save money on fees and you will build a real brand. And here is the secret. You can use all three at once. List on Etsy for discovery traffic. Use Gumroad for your main sales. And eventually migrate to Shopify as you scale. That's how creators maximize income. Now, if you want to see another way to make money online that doesn't require creating products, you need to watch this video next. This video shows you 5 ways beginners are making $500 through $5,000 and more per month on TikTok, even with less than 1,000 followers. Click that video next and I'll meet you there.